Have a going to my future employer. Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Eme Flor Sobibiga, 44 years of age. I was born on March 15, 1980. I am single, but I have a living partner. One daughter, at age of 7 years old, all the way from Dumaguete City, Philippines. I finished my college course as BS Customs Administration. And my hobbies are reading the books, playing with the kids, playing volleyball, cleaning, and sometimes cooking. I love to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a good place and the safest country for the domestic helper and high salary. And it's a big help for me, for my family, especially the future of my daughter. I have been experienced as domestic helper within 15 years. First was in Singapore. I've been working in 4 years and one employer. I serve 7 person, 2 children girl at age of 4 years old and 6 years old, and 5 adults. Since year 2005 until 2009. My second employer and my third employer was in Hong Kong. My second employer, I've been working in 7 years. I serve 5 person, 2 children boy at age of 5 years old and 10 years old, one couple, and one elderly at age of 90 years old. Since October 27, 2009 and October 2016. And my third employer, I've been working in 4 years. I serve 3 person, one couple, and one elderly at age of 90 years old. Since April 6, 2019 until August 4, 2023. And my main duties are to take good care of the children, bring them to school, and also the extra activities, preparing the food, doing the household chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, washing the cars, gardening, and helping the elderly woman to take the bath, and accompany also to go to other exercise class. So, ma'am and sir, I love to take good care of your children and also take care of the newborn baby. I love to read the storybooks for them and sing the nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And also, I'm willing to take good care of the elderly. So, ma'am and sir, please choose me as one of your domestic helper, and I promise I'm doing my job from the bottom of my heart. And I am honest, hardworking, respectful, patient, obedience, and I'm doing my work according to your rules. And also, I promise I finish my contract as long as you need my service. And I'm looking forward to work with you, Ma'am and Sir, as one of your domestic helper. Thank you, and God bless us all.